Mr. Bravo.
Hi, Clinton.
How are you?
I'm alright, thanks, my brother.
So, what's going on right now?
Right about now, we're just concentrating on projections for giving back to the youths. Now, right now, we are in a project which is called permaculture, where the children, they are singing music for the plants. We are also trying to nurture the plants, but all about its music.
It's all about music?
Yes, it's all about music. Yes.
So when did you start these projects?
Oh, we started projects long back at Zimbabwe Harare Music Academy, where we've been doing promotions for children's work. So if you can look also in the internet, Zimbabwe Harare Music Academy, you can see some of the things we've been doing with little children. Because the passion we got is to try and equip, to give a good foundation to the youths. But as well, Aina is a performer per se. I can play certain instruments, I can sing my original song as well. And those are the songs I feel really, if given a chance, if I get a little fund from certain well-wisher, I don't think they're not quite stable here in Zimbabwe.
Yeah, everybody knows that.
You see,
yeah.
But no, but there are some people who have got these facilities, they're set up, you know. There are some producers who are ready, who want to make some, produce some music from the original setup. And I'm one of them. I've got a lot of original stuff I've done from long back. But now, it is because now there's a lot of things I need to cater for. And you find music becomes another priority, yet it is supposed to be the first priority. So yes, no, Clinton, if you think that you can take your elderly to that studio to do your works, you can do that, man.
Yes, I can do that, I promise.
So I respect that moment. So we sing music. Most of the music we are giving is to try and encourage the youths, to equip the youths with a lot of motivation towards their lives in terms of energy to do work, in terms of energy to socialize, energy to inspire the generations through the prophecy of music. So we want the youth really to be the future of tomorrow in relation to impacting good, inspiring message to the community which we are living.
All right. So which kind of music do you specialize with?
Me, I do what we call, it is an original set of music which is bound by the reggae rhythm, and it has got an Afro-ethnic touch of a Zimbabwean nature, because I born and bred here in Zimbabwe. So sometimes the reggae feel I have got is very original back from Africa here. So it's the music which you want the whole world to understand and become big and inspired by it, so that they can break down the isms and the schisms which we are seeing. Most youths are abiding with drug abuse and alcoholism. So we don't want that. We don't want that. Yes, my brethren, respect her. So we want the youths to be a well-geared youths to lift up the nation, cornerstone for the nation. So this is the music we want to deal with every time we're talking about.
All right. So for the meantime, you can give us a freestyle so that we can hear how it sounds.
Give it to me one time. Give it to me 2 times. Give it to me 3 times. 1 time, 1 time, 1 time. Jah works when you see the rain fall. Jah works when you see the sunshine. Jah works when you see the rain fall. Jah works when you see the sunshine. Long time ago, Jah guide. In a distant time, Jah guide. The higher being older guide too. The emergency the God guide too. What you do, got to do the right, and what you say, got to say the truth. Got to stand for do good got to stand for too good. Jah works when you see the rain fall. Jah works when you see the sunshine. Jah works serious, dangerous, serious, cantankerous and dangerous. Don't play with fire. It's a serious, dangerous, just like lightning and thunder, just like brimstone and fire, earth, wind and fire. Your words are serious, cantankerous and dangerous. Your words are serious, cantankerous and dangerous. One time,
Two
one
time.
time.
There's no two time.
2 times. Give it to me 3 times. 1 time, 1 time, 1 time. Ceasefire.
Yes, this is a mad freestyle.
Give thanks, you know.
It's a mad freestyle.
Yes, no, that's what we're talking about. It's all about music. Because music, it's what gives the people a more energy, wisdom, and focus, you know. And that's what we want, that the youth of today should love to create music to inspire their society. It's like giving. The more you give, the more you get. The more you get, and the more you give. So you have to give messages, strong messages, which lift up the community. You know, I'll sing the last song.
It's okay? You can sing it.
Yes. Roots Foundation. Roots Foundation. Roots Rock Reggae. Roots Foundation. Rastafari music from creation. Roots Foundation. Roots and culture. Rastafari music. Look at the builder. I set a house upon the rock foundation. The house so strong. Jaja got to lift it up. Harare nation on top of this situation. Jan nation. Stand on Root Foundation. Oh yeah, Root Foundation. Root Foundation. Roots Rock Reggae. Rastafari music. Yes, I see them, my youths are growing. Send them for a brighter tomorrow. Give them some strength, give them some skill, give them a new life, a new generation. Hey, the youth of today, lift them so high, yeah. Roots Foundation, give them a root foundation.
Mad.
Love the news.
You sound like Lucky Dube.
Yes, yet I'm Uncle Bravo. Yes, I love Lucky Dube. Is one of the African ambassadors. It's nice when at least I love Lucky. When he went to South Africa from Zimbabwe, he's one brother I saw, I met, and I talked with. I was with him quite some time.
Oh,
you see,
that's
so good. It's not amazing. It's late now, but he has left the message which lives forever.
Sure.
That's why they say Rasta never die, lives forever. It's because of the messages which we project. So we love to say, producers out there, all well-wishers, brothers and sisters, I give you all the love. I would love to say, if you can pick me up and take me to the studio, and we can work out something together in terms of the music, in terms of the video production, in terms of the youths generation. I've got a lot of young youths who are singing very well, whom I'm working with, and I would love all that to be regenerated and lift up the nation. Thank you very much.
Yeah, sure. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your time, Uncle Bravo.
Love you very much.
Yes.
Truly, no, we need to work so hard, you know.
Yes.
The youth of Zimbabwe, it's all over the nation. Love it like that. Better run away. Run away. You got to run away, run away. You got to run away. You got to run away, run away. You got to run away from the land of the sinking sand. You got to run away from the land of the sinking sand. Hey now, yeah now, yeah now. Oh yes, oh yeah, oh now, oh now, na na na, na na na, na na
Mad freestyle.
Yes, freestyle now. Youth of Zimbabwe. It's a tune. Make you cool and brighter. In everything that you do, you got to do your best. Never cease to try again. And rise up early in the morning time. And do the best of the work when you're too fresh. Don't give it up. You are the best of all. Got to run over and do the best you can. Run away. Yes, and I Raskura, you know, Uncle Bravo.
Yes.
Thank you very much for each moment in time, but give it back to the youths.
Yes,
Every time when we're doing it for the youths.
Yes.
Love you all.
Big up Rasta man. Rastafari. Yeah.